morning. Christy here, Chrimbo's Chronicles. 46 degrees outside and it's raining. So I'm inside doing our morning check-in with you. We're going to the St. Louis Arch today. We're going to ride in it and check out some other things in St. Louis. So come along. Look way up there. These little windows. That's where we're going to ride to. We're going to walk underneath it first. It's raining. We can go under. Holy moly, it's so much bigger than we expected. Oh. Exit only. I came to the wrong side. Check this out. Oh, I'm doing a backpack. Two down. Nobody back there.
Just go to the number on the floor that matches the number you were gifted. 1847, there was the architectural design competition that would determine what the memorial would look like. Architects were invited to submit designs for any memorial that would celebrate western expansion. So it couldn't look like anything, but the winner of that competition will have 8 cars, each with 5 seats, and travel at an average speed of 3.86 miles an hour, although that sounds like it's going really fast. It'll take you 4 minutes to get up to the top and 3 minutes to get back down here, which is a lot faster than taking the 1,076 stairs that are in each way.
Wow. When
you reach the top, there'll be 32 windows up there, 16 face each way. You'll have just under 10 minutes, and then after that time, you'll be called back down by your car number.
Oh, she said wait. Oh, I just hit my head. There's no seatbelts. Are you scared?
It's like we're in a little cave.
All right, everyone. Make sure everything stays away from the doors. Doors are closing.
Oh, we don't get to see anything while we're riding either? So the casino's over here? Yeah. Oh, there's our RV.
Yeah.
Right there in the middle. yesterday we took y'all over to that viewing tower, and that was right there. Sorry, yesterday it was. Yeah, yesterday. Oh, beautiful. There's the stadium, Cardinal Stadium. And we are leaning forward like we're laying on our bellies like we're gonna go overboard here. How awesome. Don't say we don't take you places. There's a pretty little park down there. Look at the architecture on that. And we are parked somewhere in that. I know where. I'm going downhill like I'm being forced through downhill.
A lake high fashion city park. The river then flows over 20.
Good morning. It is the Mississippi. See, I was right. We're back in the egg. We're gonna go down. Maybe I want to be in your position too. Oh, and they swivel? What's the... I guess to help you get in and out. Oh no! Alright. We're super close to it. There you go. Perfect. Now, we are going to drive almost a mile. You saw back there. I can't go back there. There's people tenting. The people that don't have any homes. We call them the houseless. Oh, these are so good. Look at that cardinal in the middle of the room. Oh. If at any point you want to pause, check something out, do it. that's it. This is the Mississippi River right here. And that is a Mississippi River flood wall. And there's the arch. And that was the St. Louis Mural Mile. We're gonna head out of here. And this is where we're gonna close out this video. We're gonna head back to the RV now, to our pup and kitty, and call it a night. Thanks for watching. Say goodnight, babe.
Good night, babe.